You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is y equals -7/3. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Multiply the fractions. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Break up the fraction. Simplify the fraction. Group all y terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 2y from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the y. Divide both sides by 2. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is y equals -7/3.